For billions of years, our faithful companion, the moon, has been a constant in our sky. It stabilizes our planet, governs our tides, and lights up the night. But what if something knocked it from its orbit? What if, instead of drifting slowly away, the moon began to fall? The 2020 film Moonfall played with this terrifying idea, but the real world physics of such an event would unleash a chain of disasters, unlike anything humanity has ever seen. This isn't just a story about a collision, it's about how our world would unravel long before the final, fiery impact. As the moon gets closer, its gravitational pull strengthens exponentially. The most immediate effect would be on our oceans. Tides, which currently rise and fall predictably, would become monstrous, 1,000-foot-high walls of water. Coastal cities worldwide would be erased from the map in a matter of hours. But the chaos wouldn't stop at the shore. The moon is crucial for stabilizing the tilt of Earth's axis. Without that stability, our planet would begin to wobble erratically. This wouldn't just change the weather. It would dismantle the very concept of climate and seasons as we know them. One day, the Arctic Circle could stretch down into the United States, plunging the continent into an ice age. While the equator freezes over, our 24-hour day would also become shorter as Earth spins faster. As the moon encroaches into what was once safe space, the very forces that hold our world together would turn against us. The moon itself would begin to break apart. Under the intense strain of Earth's gravity, what looks like a solid sphere is actually a rocket, and it would start to crumble. We wouldn't just see a large moon in the sky. We would witness a meteor shower of apocalyptic proportions as debris from the moon bombards our planet. Meanwhile, Earth's geology would go into overdrive. The increased gravitation and stress would trigger world-spanning earthquakes, far beyond any magnitude on the Richter scale, and volcanic eruptions that would choke the atmosphere with ash. And in a bizarre and terrifying twist, as the moon's gravity counteracts Earth's, objects and even people could begin to experience weightlessness, literally floating off the surface of the planet. So, could this actually happen? The short answer is it's incredibly unlikely, and here's why. The moon is in a stable orbit. It's constantly falling toward Earth, but its sideways motion is so fast that it keeps missing. Think of it like swinging a ball on a string. To make the moon crash into us, you would need to almost completely cancel its orbital velocity, a task requiring an unimaginable amount of energy from a mysterious force. As NASA's chief scientist Jim Green noted, even consulting on a film like Moonfall, the real focus is on the moon's vital role in creating a stable environment for life, not on it falling. The falling moon scenario is a fascinating thought experiment that reveals a profound truth. Our existence on Earth is delicately balanced. The moon isn't just a pretty light in the sky. It's a fundamental part of our planetary system. Its steadying influence has been crucial for life to have evolved and thrived for billions of years. So, the next time you look up at the moon, feel a sense of comfort. Its stable, predictable presence is anything but a given in the cosmos. It's the key to our world being the living, vibrant planet that it is. What other cosmic disasters do you want us to explore? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more deep dives into the science of the impossible.